An unused PVC pipe usually ends up as trash, but today we're turning this leftover pipe into an innovative tool to solve a real home problem. Don't underestimate waste materials. The result might surprise you.
Now we measure it first, then cut the PVC pipe to the required size. Next, prepare a used drink bottle and a T-shaped pipe connector. We'll glue the bottle cap directly onto the T-pipe connector. Now we move on to the gluing process between the used drink bottle and the T-pipe connector. We use a hot glue gun to make the bond strong and neat. After that, make a hole in the bottle cap to allow the water to flow in. Adjust the hole size according to your needs. Once the hole looks neat enough, add a thicker layer of hot glue around the bottle cap, making sure the seal is tight and leak-free.
Do this step slowly and carefully to ensure the best result.
Once this step looks neat enough, wait a few minutes until the glue fully hardens. After that, attach the bottle tube to the cap that has already been glued. After testing it by twisting and opening the cap, the result is very good and feels solid. Next, prepare materials in the form of several small pipe pieces. Also, prepare the knob cap. Prepare the elbow connector and the stop valve that were prepared earlier. At this stage, use soldering to create a hole at the predetermined central point. Keep the hole small, just like this. Step by step is complete, and now it's time for the assembly process. Wow, that's amazing, isn't it? This setup is now complete, and next we move on to the final step. Prepare a hose for the application process. But before that, let's complete the final assembly step, which is
Apply glue to the hose and pipe pieces to strengthen the connection and prevent leaks during the application process.
After the entire assembly is complete, it's time to test it out.
So in the end, unused or discarded items don't mean they're worthless. With a bit of creativity, anything can be turned into a useful innovation. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and never stop being creative.